students, welcome to our fun Arduino class. Today's project is called Smart Light. We will make a smart light that can be automatically turned on when it's dark and turn off when it's bright using a special sensor called an LDR. To make a smart light, we need Arduino Uno LDR sensor module, LED light, a breadboard, few male-to-male jumper wires and a dumb cable to upload the code from our computer to Arduino Uno. What is an LDR? This is a LDR. It is also called light dependent resistor. It works like our eyes. It can see light. When there is light, LDR sends high value of Arduino. When it gets dark, LDR sends a low value. This helps to tell the Arduino, it's day, turn off the light. It's night, turn on the light. What is a breadboard? A breadboard is a tool used to quickly build and test electronic circuits without soldering. The holes are connected internally in rows and columns, allowing components like resistors, LEDs, and ICs to be easily inserted and connected without soldering. This makes breadboard ideal for testing and modifying circuit designs quickly and conveniently. In a breadboard, the holes are connected internally in two main ways. Horizontal rows, terminal strips. The central area has holes arranged in rows of 5 connected horizontally. Each group of 5 holes in a row is electrically connected, allowing components to share connections. Vertical columns, power rails. On each side of the board, there are long vertical columns called power rails. All the holders in a single column are connected vertically to provide power, usually labeled positive and negative, across the board. Now let's connect our components. We are going to connect an LED light, an LDR sensor, to a breadboard and Arduino Uno. Now it is time to connect the sensor. Take your LDR module, place the LDR on the breadboard and use 3 jumper wires to connect the LDR module to Arduino Uno. Connect VCC to LDR to Arduino swap pin and LDR ground to Arduino ground and out pin of the LDR to analog 0 of Arduino Uno. The LDR will sense light and send information to Arduino. Finally, check before uploading code. LDR VCC to 5 volts, GND ground to ground, out to A0. LED positive to 5, negative to ground. All jumper wires are firmly connected. Breadboard connections are clean. Now to connect your Arduino to the computer, take the USB dumb cable and connect one end of the Arduino Uno board. Connect the other end of the USB cable to your computer's USB port. This connection powers your Arduino and allows your computer to communicate with it. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer. Let's see the code. Let's begin with the first line. Int LDR pin equal to A0. This sets up a variable called LDR pin. It tells the Arduino that the LDR sensor is connected to analog pin A0. Int LED pin 5. This sets up a variable for the LED. It tells the Arduino that LED is connected to digital pin 5. Int LDR value 0. This is a variable to store the light reading from the LDR. At the beginning, it is set to 0. Void setup. This is the setup function. It runs only once when the Arduino is turned on or reset. We use it to set up the LED and start the serial monitor. Serial begin. This starts the serial monitor at speed 9600. It let us see the LDR values on the screen like a thermometer for light. Pin mode, LED pin, output. This tells the Arduino that the LED pin is used for sending signals. Output, it means we want to turn the LED on or off. Void loop, this is the main loop. It runs again and again forever. This is where we keep checking the light and controlling the LED. LDR value equal to analog read, LDR pin. This reads the value from the LDR sensor. It tells us how bright or dark it is. Smaller number equals to darker. Bigger number equals to brighter. Serial pinned LDR value. This sends the LDR value to the serial monitor. We can see how the light is changing in real time. If LDR value is lesser 500, this is a condition. It checks, is it dark? If the value is less than 500, it means it is dark. Then it runs the next line. Digital write LED pin high. This turns on the LED because it's dark. The Arduino sends electricity to the LED. This means if the value is not less than 500, or in the other words, if it's bright, then we do something else. Digital write, LED pin low. This turns off the LED because it's bright. The Arduino stops the electricity. Delay 500. This makes the Arduino wait for half a second before repeating the loop. It helps readings stay smooth. What happens overall? Arduino checks how much light is there using LDR. Shows the value in the serial monitor. If it's dark, LED turns on. If it's bright, LED turns off. Keeps checking again and again every 0.5 seconds. Now it's time to verify and upload the code. Before you do that, select Arduino Uno and its port and then click the tick button on the top left corner on the screen to verify the code. This checks for any typing or syntax errors. If there's no error, you will see Done Compiling at the bottom. Click the Upload button, the arrow next to the tick, to send the program to the Arduino. Upload the code to your Arduino board using the Upload button, top left arrow. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor. Go to Tools, Serial Monitor, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus M. What you will see in the serial monitor? The Arduino will show numbers like 300, 600, 800, etc. These numbers are light level values from the LDR. The values go down when it's dark and goes up when it's bright. Testing the smart street light. Cover the LDR with your hand. LED will turn on. Shine a flashlight on the LDR. LED will turn off. Watching the serial monitor, you'll see the light values changing. Summary. You just created your own smart light with Arduino. Now you know how sensors like LDR helps in making smart systems around us. Thank you.